at my local dealership, Triumph Roswell in Alpharetta, Georgia. We're about 25 miles north of downtown Atlanta. Pretty busy area. This motorcycle shop has one really cool feature that I've never seen before. It's connected to a coffee shop. So while you're waiting on getting your bike serviced, you can get some matcha, all kinds of things. They service all motorcycle types, but they are a Triumph dealership. They've got Triumph stuff in stock, and they have accounts with Parts Unlimited, WPS, all those guys. Their hourly rate is $115 an hour, and they're open Tuesday through Sunday. They do offer towing. If you're in the Roswell or Alpharetta area, they can pick you up for free. If you're a little further out, just call them and you'll figure out a price there. They've got a little seating area inside the dealership, some bikes on display, and they have a second warehouse further out with even more bikes. Did I mention this is where I got my bike? So the Triumph side is owned by Gordy, and the coffee side is co-owned with Gordy and Colin, who we're gonna meet next.
I'm Colin, and I am the general manager here at Triumph Roswell and co-owner of Pop's Coffee Company.
Now that you've seen the Triumph shop, you've got to check out the coffee shop right next door. Let's check that video right over here.